welcome to SRC Health TV. Today we have Sinead, the founder and innovator of the SRC products, and Shira is joining us today. She's a women's health physio and owner of Be Active Physiotherapy, which is a women's only clinic or physiotherapy studio, and she's also the Continence Ambassador. So she's the Continence Ambassador Australia. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Now there's a variety of different conditions that women come to see you for. What are they?
Yeah, so at Be Active Physio we see about 1,000 pregnant women and new mums through our doors each month. Our women's health physios see a whole range of things. So really common is we have women that come in with abdominal muscle separation, which is the separation of the outermost abdominal muscle. We see a lot of that. We see a lot of back pain. So in pregnancy, often it's the lower back that gets affected due to postural changes. In motherhood, it becomes the upper back because of the forward movements as a mum, holding baby, feeding, pushing pram, changing nappies. We also commonly see pelvic girdle pain, which is pain on the pubic symphysis at the front or in the buttocks or sacroiliac joints at the back. And most commonly is pelvic floor dysfunction, which is when women cough, sneeze, laugh, and they wee. They lose control of their bladder through those kind of activities. So really common. It's a lot of women. It keeps us busy, and the condition is these conditions are definitely very common.
And they're something that are not always talked about, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's really surprising that a lot of women shy away from seeking help. Either they're too embarrassed or they just don't know that there's a lot they can do about it, or they think it's normal. But in actual fact, there's so much that can be done for all of those conditions. Yeah.
Sure. And so the work that you do in the combination of the SRC Recovery shorts, they really work in conjunction, don't they? You know, a really great support garment and being proactive.
Yeah, absolutely. So it is with a lot of the conditions that are related to dysfunctional core, it's often a combination of specific exercise partnered with appropriate compression garments such as the SRC Pregnancy and Recovery shorts. Yeah.
Sure. I've really found, for myself, I'm a mother of three, just doing a little bit at home has been the best thing I've found. Just very gentle exercise at home has really helped in conjunction with wearing the shorts. So they really do work in conjunction with each other.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Shira and I have known each other for quite some time now, and I've always respected Shira's professional opinion, and she's been a wonderful supporter. But I think we've worked over the years. We've worked really well together. We've really tried to educate women with respect to the adverse effects, the long-term adverse effects that abdominal muscle separation can have. There are so many women that just don't understand the relationship between their abdominal muscles, their back muscles, and their pelvic floor, and how they all work together. And of course, if one's not working, then the other one has to take extra load. So creating balance long term reduces the incidence, I guess, of incontinence and prolapse. And this is the work that Shira and her team do with pregnant mums, but then new mums. And they educate them with respect to the importance of exercise, controlled exercise, design programs that I guess are specific and unique to that individual. It's like not one size fits all. They tailor a program to each individual.
The right exercises.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
Absolutely, because you don't go straight into doing sit-ups after having a baby.
Oh, absolutely not. Absolutely not, yeah. So we need to start with the foundations, the deep muscles first. We often get women to start with their pelvic floor, prioritise that as a starting point, their deep abdominals and the sit-ups and the ab curls. There's time for that later. There's no rush. Yeah.
So it's not just for vanity, is it? It's all about having a strong back so you can look after your children.
Absolutely, yeah.
And if you feel like you need some more information or support, contact your women's health physiotherapist for an appointment and jump on srchealth.com to order your pair of recovery shorts.